Hi, everyone. It is Miss Elaine. I'm here at the Firehouse Art Center, and I am doing just a quick sneak peek of the art kit that the Firehouse Art Center is going to have available for kids for free at the farmers market starting tomorrow. So the Boulder County Farmers Market is starting tomorrow up in Longmont, and we are going to be at the Boulder County Fairgrounds. The market starts at 8 and goes until 1 o'clock, I believe. I think that is correct. But the Firehouse Art Center is going to have a booth there, and every week we are going to be providing free art kits for kids. So hopefully you guys will come down and come get your art kits, and it'll be a fun take and make activity. They're all packaged separately. So you can just grab one and or two, depending on how many kids that you have in your house, or three, or four, or five, or anything like that. But anyway, the Firehouse Art Center is super excited to be there at the Longmont Farmers Market, and we thank the Farmers Market for supporting art and creativity in our community and supporting having these free kids activity kits every week. So we'll be there every week. So make sure you come down and see us. And every Friday before the farmers market, we're going to have a quick little video just to give you a tutorial of how to do the activity. There'll be instructions in the kit as well. But it's always nice to kind of see what you're getting, and it'll give you a sneak peek so that you remember to head down to the farmers market and support our local farmers. Get your fresh veggies, bread, what all the yummy things that the farmers market offers. I'm really super excited that the farmers market's starting. It's definitely a weekend tradition for me and my family to, go down to the farmers market and support our local farmers. So while you're there, check out our booth. So just a sneak peek on what we're doing next or tomorrow for the farmers market is we will have art kits with these printouts. They are Easter eggs. Now, I know a lot of kiddos love doing Easter egg hunts, and I do know that there are not as many egg hunts going on right now due to the pandemic. So what we wanted to do was support a way to have socially distanced neighborhood egg hunts. So what you can do is you're going to get one of these eggs in your kit, and you can decorate them with crayons, markers, whatever you want to do. Another thing is, if you don't like this design, you can cut it out and then flip it over, and you can just use, the egg shape, and then you can make up your own design. So you don't have to stick with this design, but you can color it in with crayons and markers. Included in the kit are a whole bunch of, so you can actually cut them out, and you can glue them if you want to do something different instead of just coloring them in. But after you're done, this is like the egg out, and you put it in the front window of your house, because then kids that are walking around in the neighborhood or driving around can find your Easter egg in a virtual kind of like socially distanced neighborhood Easter egg hunt. Um, so yeah, we wanted to do this as kind of like a fun first project, pretty simple, just ease you into the whole make and take art activity kits, but then also provide fun to the kids in your community and in your neighborhood. So obviously, if you're taking one of these kits, you do have kids. So, organize a walk around your neighborhood, and spot these eggs in the windows if you and kind of count them out. And it's kind of like a fun Easter egg hunt that we can still do during this pandemic. So that's pretty much it. Next week's kit is going to be a little bit more involved. We are going to be doing a radish craft. So every week we're going to have something that is related to, the veggies and the plants and the items that you can get at the farmers market. So tomorrow or next week it's going to be a radish craft. So it'll be salt dough, and you can make your own radish. You can't eat it, but you can make it and paint it, and it'll be really cool. But this Saturday, tomorrow, come pick up your egg and decorate it, and I hope to see a bunch of them, throughout Longmont. So that's it for today. Just a quick little sneak peek. We hope to see you at the farmers market tomorrow at 8 a.m. Come find the Firehouse Art Center. And once again, thank you, Boulder County Farmers Market, for supporting arts and creativity in your community. We love you. We love our local farmers, and come see us tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.